Sneaky, sneaky.
Pretty fucking nervous, not gonna lie to you. Like,
Go time, baby.
woo! Fucking hell! Oh my god, we survived! No, that is the scariest thing I've ever done. I'm like... Alright, boys and girls. The time is... I have no idea what time it is. 9:28 in the morning. Just leaving our Airbnb now, which I have to tell you is absolutely stunning. And very, very glad that we managed to stay here. So, yeah, the plan now is go find somewhere for breakfast and then go to the track. We're on like a middle of like some kind of like farmland horse yard area. But for now, breakfast, followed by a quick car clean. Then we're going to go to the track, do a couple of laps. It's like chocolate, but I don't know if it is. We'll find out.
One, this doesn't look... Oh, they look the same.
These are the same, I think.
Obviously.
Good luck. How's that, my son?
I'm a little bit nervous.
Yeah, this is...
Take it off this.
I was gonna say...
That was interesting.
Green hell card, as you do.
Yeah.
The time is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The track is opened and it's like a huge rush to whoever gets to the track first, it seems like. And so here I am, trying to figure that out right now. I'm all kitted up, ready to go, and we're just queuing for it right now, so. Pretty fucking nervous, not gonna lie to you. Like, let me tell you a quick story about like what happened. So we arrived, the track was closed due to whatever reasons. So we pulled into the main car park here, just by the tourist departing gate, and it was rammed, and it was very much difficult to get in. I almost scraped my car driving into the car park because it was that narrow. And then we got out, bought some tickets, and then immediately, we were about to start looking around. I went back, got my camera stuff, started doing some filming. And then they were like, the track is now open, and we had this kind of like little 5-second panic. Oh fuck, well, we gotta go. we gotta go. So I ran back to the car, but my car was less accessible than Tom's was. So I got basically pinned behind a lot of traffic. But we're just waiting to go on now. And I'm very nervous now. We've got track cars all over the place. We've got regular cars. This is just absolutely crazy. But it's really just about getting the bearings today, surviving, and then seeing where we go from there. Everything else after that point is a bit of a bonus. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Just stay cool and keep it in sport, no track mode. Just get around alive, stay close to the right-hand side, keep an eye out in your mirrors at all times, indicate to the right when you need to, when you're letting someone pass, everything else should be fine. Holy mother of Christ, I am nervous. Hey Tom, do you copy? He does not copy, I think. Here we go. That's it. We're checked in. Let's go windows up. Got ourselves a BMW Motorsport track car in front. Let him overtake. No, if I say this, but I'm getting overtaken by a Citroen C1. The Citroen C2 just overtook me. All right, let's try and follow him, I guess. He is going so fast. Oh my fucking Jesus. Fucking. Jesus Christ, man. People drive so fast. If you could see my heart rate right now, it would be extreme. And now we're ready. Going for an overtake. Stay in third. Absolutely amazing looking S2000. God, the pitch elevation here is crazy. I've never experienced anything like this before. This is my first track experience of any kind. It's terrifying when you've got race cars quite literally coming up behind you. This is absolutely fucking terrifying. Fucking hell, man. Touch on the brakes, I don't know the track. Twist and elevation. All right, follow that guy, heavy on the brakes. Into third, say it smooth through the corner. Check no one behind me. Oh my God, through the carousel! Holy shit! Woo! This is YouTube corner. You know, keep breathing. Oh my God, we survived. We survived. Woo! Fucking hell! Tom, do you copy?
Yeah, we're back in the car park earlier.
All right, I'm coming. That was unlike anything I've ever experienced. Okay, that was fucking terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. Oh, I might have gone the wrong way. Jesus Christ. It looks like our radio is attracted some alternative frequencies. I'll tell you what it is. I did not trust my own ability, and that's fine. Doing these kind of things for the first time, I guess like if there's one lesson I could remember myself for next time is like, that's like fucking terrifying. And that's totally exactly how it should be. Because like I have never driven on track before. That was my first ever track drive. And I was absolutely bricking it. I'm not gonna lie to you. That was fucking terrifying. I'm quite happy to just do that one lap and maybe do another one later today, this afternoon, or maybe one tomorrow. That'll probably be fine for me. That's one of the scariest things. No, that is the scariest thing I've ever done. I'm like, adrenaline is peaking. Fucking terrifying, bruv. Amazing though. Oh, so I definitely went in the wrong queue. $1.5 Gs on the menu. Right.
You there, Aaron?
Yeah, I'm in the car park up by the ticket office.
Okay, we're a bit further down in the gravelly bit where we were earlier. We'll walk up.
All right, see you in a minute, see you in a minute.
Oh, Lotus. I think it's the one I saw earlier. Exige, isn't it?
Yeah, that's an Exige.
We're there. Trust me, there'll be a lot of people overtaking me. Walkie-talkie check.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, go on then. You've charmed me. Come on, mate, I'm doing this one-handed. Go on, go, 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 go. Go past me, go on. Unbelievable scenes, boys, well done. This is a take on the, what do they call it? Something pig? It's go time, baby. Jesus Christ. How you doing, boys? Oh, you're doing really well, man. Catching someone, man. Jesus Christ. You go, baby.
You good?
Yeah, man. That's fucking wicked.
If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, like the video if you enjoyed the video, and leave me any comments that you have. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.